Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Groww application on PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, open your preferred web browser. You will need to download web catalog application from your browser. At the address bar, type in webcatalog.io and click on enter. After that, click on Download Web Catalog Desktop button, which is at the middle of the screen. Now click on Download for Windows button and you will get a setup file like this. Click on it and install Web Catalog application, which is very simple process. After the installation is completed, you can find Web Catalog application. Click and open Web Catalog. Now at the search bar, you need to type your application name, which is Groww, and you can see your application here. After that, click on Install button to download Groww application. The installation may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the installation is completed, click on Open to use Groww application on your PC. So that is how you can download Groww application on a PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.